Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have an unboxing of a prize I won on an Instagram giveaway from Vintage Supply Company, and I will link Jeanette's Etsy shop and Instagram down below. And this, I did not go back and look at the post again on Instagram because I wanted to be surprised, but Jeanette curates amazing vintage goodies for mixed media, assemblage. There's ephemera for junk journals. So I don't remember what is going to be in this box, and I'm glad because I'll be surprised and open it along with you guys. And then what I'm going to do is go through the stuff that's in it and pick out some things and come back in another video and do a project with them. It may be kind of a mixed media journal cover is what I'm thinking, but we'll see what's in here. Maybe some kind of shadow box, who knows. But I want to thank Jeanette for the giveaway, and I hope that you guys, if you haven't already or don't know of her already, will check out her Etsy shop. I'm hoping I have enough room here. I may have to move the box out of the way and just take things out of it. So, let's see where we are. Okay. Oh, it's packaged so nicely. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, you guys. There's so, I can already see there's so many fabulous things in here. A little bit of ASMR, crinkles. Right off the bat, some ephemera. Okay. Oh, fabulous. Oh, look at this. 1871. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. The writing on it. And, oh, look at that. French maybe? Yes. And more ephemera. That is gorgeous. Okay. Very excited. I am going to take everything out, I think, and get the box out of the way. Look at, oh, that is fabulous. A glass stopper. Vintage yo-yo. See, like, I feel like these things would be really cool. An assemblage art shadow box. A little mirrored case. Yes. Lots of ideas. Let's see what's in here. Oh, now that would be really interesting on a journal cover. That as well. On the journal cover. My goodness, Jeanette, thank you so much. A little missile. And then a little metal plate. And something, maybe a clock. And then some more little bits of ephemera. Oh my goodness, look at the card. Oh, I have so much to play with, you guys. An envelope. French again. Another piece of grungy ephemera. Look at this envelope. Again from France. A letter in there. Oh, I love that. Look at those. Now, Ooh, that's interesting. Look at this. Baby doll arm. Creepy. That could be in some sort of Halloween shadow box. Okay. Oh, the finger broke off, but that's okay. That can be repaired for sure. Look at the detail. And then, ooh, he's a little creepy too. Oh, that is, again, back to the Halloween, right? And now a bunch of metal bits, some bling, some rhinestones. Guys, there is so much stuff in here. Oh, this is a comb. Spoon. More bling. Oh, I love that. A thimble. Little razor blade. Another brooch. That would be pretty on a mixed media journal cover. Oh, this is a key of some sort. Very cool. Another key, little metal bits and little wood bits. This is so much fun. I am gonna, I may have to make a few projects. We'll see. Oh, this is what I did remember, and I was excited about these for journal projects, the cloth measuring tapes. I did remember that from the post. Necklace. Spindles, what are these called? I can't remember. Shoelaces. And then these. Love it, love it, love it. Here's another one. And a miniature, tiny, tiny penny. And a tiny, tiny dollar bill. I love him. Still in package. And then, oh, a mirror. But you could use that on the cover of a journal. Okay. And then, oh, I love vintage millinery, vintage flowers and things. Love that. I hear stuff in it. Oh wow, that is. Put your muscles into it. More little bits and pieces. That looks like maybe a clock. Ooh, vintage domino. I love game pieces too. Patch and a piece of old jewelry, which you could put like that with an image inside on the cover of something. Oh, there's another box. More game pieces, bingo numbers, a little glass bead, and then these needle, I love needle cases. Yes, these look like little bamboo things. I'm not sure what they are. Like that. A little brush. Again, like for assemblage art and things like that. Okay. And then oh, looks like beads. I don't know if they're on the string or... Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Oh, I'll be cleaning those up, but it's on... It must be for a lantern or a light or something on that expandable accordion kind of thing. Ooh, clock, another clock mechanism. And last, but certainly not least, ooh, that's a giant wooden bead. And oh, alarm, silent, steady, repeat. A lot of steampunk kind of stuff I'm feeling. Okay, so that is it. Thank you so much for joining me, everyone. And thank you again, Jeanette, for all of these unique and interesting goodies that I am going to play with. And I'm hoping in the next 2 to 3 days to come back with another video. Hope you guys will join me. And I'm going to create something, or maybe a couple of somethings, with some of these goodies. And thanks again for watching, everyone. I will see you back here again real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.